Hey guys, I'm back for a new video about handcuffs. And the thumbnail will be how to use the Smith & Wesson handcuffs. Pretty simple. Nobody hasn't gave me a video request to do this, but I thought it went in was. So there is this right there, then that. When you get your key, the key hole is right there. You stick it in, and then I don't know. It might be hard to see, but you want to turn it this way. Cuffs open. Now double locking them. Double locking them is hard to pick for me, but this that locks. Same thing, but it's just the key and then you turn it this way. Pretty simple. This goes the same. Pretty simple actually. Alright guys, short video I know, just a fun little thing I might do. I don't know. I just might do fun little things, I don't know. Alright guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later.